Hi guys, I'm reviewing this HDMI cable right here. This is 3 feet long and it has these little plastic covers, and when you're not using them you can put them back on there so that way they stay clean and dust free. I am always needing these HDMI cables all the time for my game systems, for the DVD player, for the Blu-ray, for the Roku. I mean, these things come in handy all the time. I think everybody needs to have a bunch of these because not only that, but sometimes I end up losing some, so they're always good to have around. Like I said, this one is a 3 feet long one. It's for HDMI and 4K. So if you guys want to order this, the link to this is in the description. Definitely go and check them out. And thanks so much for watching.